So what is the rule of a function of the form given here, whose graph appears to be identical to the given graph? So basically, we're trying to match one of these equations with the graph. Let's start with the midline, because that's always sort of the easiest thing to do. Two of these have negative midlines, and two of these have positive. All right, positive 2, positive 2. Clearly, the middle of this graph is positive, so it's got to be positive 2. So these are the ones that are positive. So the midline is going to be here. So right away, we can throw out the ones that have a negative midline showing. So we've got a 50-50 chance just from that 1 second fact. Okay, now we don't get any help from the amplitude, the A value. Okay, they're both saying -7, which means up 7 and down 7. So let's see if we can narrow it down based on the period. Now, this one, the first one, has a B value of 3, whereas the second one has a B value of 1/3. Let's see which one gives us a period that's close to what we see here. So the period is going to be 2 pi divided by the B value. So for this first option, that would give me a period of 2 pi divided by 3. So that would be a period of 2/3 pi. Well, basically it's right here. That's less than 1 pi. Okay, now look at this. The period is going to be the horizontal distance from corresponding point to corresponding point. From here to here. This is the period. Now, that looks very close to 6 pi. Okay, I mean, it's shifted a little bit to the left, and this is a little bit to the left of 6 pi. This is looking really close to 6 pi. There's no way that this is going to be less than 1 pi. So I think we found our answer. I think it's going to have to be D. Okay, but just for fun, let's go ahead and calculate it and see if we get something close to 6 pi. All right, so for the second function, 2 pi over b becomes 2 pi over 1/3. And then if we multiply by the reciprocal, so that would be 2 pi times 3, which in fact is 6 pi. And that's exactly what we were looking for. So it's definitely going to be D based on that. Let's go ahead and check the official answer. There you go.